Nitya here. This is the second video of decimal fractions. Okay. In this video, we shall discuss about decimal fraction in detail. You know about decimal fraction or decimal number, both are equal, both are same. Here decimal fraction, definition of the decimal fraction. A decimal fraction or a decimal number is fraction whose denominator can be expressed as 10 or some higher power of 10. I am repeating again. A decimal fraction or a decimal number is fraction whose denominator can be expressed as 10 or some higher power of 10. Okay. As for example, that is the 7 by 10, 13 by 100, 851 by 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4. Okay. These all are the examples of decimal fraction. Here denominators are 10, 100, 10 to the power 4. Definition says that is the denominator can be expressed as 10. Denominator can be expressed as 10 or some higher power of 10. 100 is equivalent to 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 4. Okay. So we can say these are the decimal fraction. These are the decimal fraction. Now here 3 by 5 that will be equivalent to 3 into 2, 5 into 2. This will be 6 by 10. That is 10 is here in denominator. 10 is here in denominator. That means we can say 3 by 5 can be expressed as a fraction with denominator 10. Therefore 3 by 5 is a decimal fraction. Another example, that is the 7 by 8. That will be 7 by 8 into 125. 7 by 8 into 125 divided by 8 into 125. 8 into 125. This will be equivalent to 875 divided by 1000. Here 1000, that is the denominator, and 1000 is the higher power of 10. So we can say this will be also a decimal fraction. So we can say that is the 7 by 8 can be expressed as a fraction with denominator 10 to the power 3 or 1000. Okay. Here examples for decimal numbers. 3 by 10 that will be equivalent to 0.3. 213 divided by 100, this will be equivalent to 2.13. Okay, 2.13. 59 by 10 to the power 5, this will be equivalent to 0.00059. These all are the examples of the decimal fraction. Okay. Now here note, when there is no number to the left of the decimal point, generally a 0 is written. If there is no number to the left of the decimal point, generally a 0 is written. That means 0.72 is written as 0.72. 0.004 is written as 0.004 and so on. Okay. Second note, that is the 3.4 means. What is the meaning of 3.4? That is the 3 integral part here, integral part of 3 is here, integral part here, that is the 3 is integral part, 3 is integral part, and 0.4 is the decimal part of 3.4. 3 is here integral part, 3 is here integral part, and 0.4 is the decimal part of the number 3.4. Note number 3, any extra zero or zeros written after the decimal part of the numbers does not change its value. That means after the decimal part of the number we will write many zero, but value of number will be same. Okay, as for examples, okay, value of 3.5 is same as 3.50 or 3.5000 or 3.500000. Okay, all are equivalent to 3.5, 3.50, 3.5000, 3.500000. All are equivalent to each other. Okay, all are equivalent to each other. We can write like 4.5, this will be equal to 4.50. Both are equal. Okay, both will be equal. Next, that is the reading decimal number. Reading decimal number, that is the very challenging. Okay, how can read the decimal number? Because maximum student and maximum persons are using wrong concept. Maximum persons are using like this 21.45, that is wrong. Maximum person are reading 21.45, that will be wrong. Here concept said that is the integral part is reading according to its value and decimal part is reading by naming each digit in order separately. I am repeating again. The integral part is reading according to its value, and decimal part is read by naming each digit in order separately. Here example 21.45 will be read as 21.45. 21.45. After the decimal, that is the 45, we will read in order separately. 4, 5. Another example, that is the 0.08. We will read it point. We will be read as 0.008. Otherwise, we can also read 0.08. Sorry, 0.08. 0.08. Okay, 0.08. Another example, that is the 152. I am writing here 152.639. So it will be read like 152 152.639 na? Yes, 639. We will read like 152.639. 639. 639. Okay, 639. Clear? Okay. After it, we will discuss that is the decimal system. Decimal system, that is the decimal place value. In next video, we will discuss that is the decimal place value. Thank you.